Shalom, my friends. It is good to see you again. I have learned so much this month from all the different lessons about nature. Do you remember our scripture readings? Let's see if you do.
Job 12, 7 through 10. But ask the animals, and they will teach you. Or ask the birds of the air, and they will tell you. Speak to the earth, and it will teach you. Or let the fish of the sea tell you. Every one of these knows that the hand of the Lord has done this. The life of every creature and the breath of all people are in God's hand.
6 to 8. Go to the ant, you sluggard. Consider her ways and be wise. Which having a cap, overseer or ruler, provides her supplies in the summer and gathers her food in the harvest. Amen.
Our Bible verse is from Romans 12:2. And do not be conformed to this world, but be transformed by the renewing of your mind, that you may prove what is that good and acceptable and perfect will of God.
You know, those are such great verses. Thank you to all our helpers. Nature tells us so much about God. What did you learn about nature and God this month? Tell the person sitting next to you one thing that you learned about God through nature, and I'll give you a moment to talk. I am so happy that you learned so much about God. I hope that you spend more time in nature. And I hope you saw some ants and some butterflies and some birds and so much more. Some of my friends sent some pictures of what they saw and did. Let's see what you sent.
Walk me with the animal native.
Amy.
I'm Betty Jojo.
We're outside enjoying the fresh air.
Today we're gonna talk about the 4 seasons.
Amy, what's the first season?
The first season is spring, where flowers bloom and they come out in different colors.
Great. What's the next?
The next season is summer, when the trees, it rains a little bit, but the trees turn green, and it is very hot. You might even want to drink a glass of water.
The third season is fall, which we're in right now. That's when the trees' leaves start falling and they start changing colors. For example, look at the ground, it's full of colorful leaves. And the trees have yellow leaves.
And the last season
Is winter, where we look forward to the nice cold snow.
and you can make a snowman.
Yay!
I'm so happy that Nora and I were able to spend this month with you. Thank you for all of you who sent in pictures and videos of you and your families and nature. And next month, there'll be an opportunity for you to send in videos of you praying. I'm looking forward to seeing those start being submitted. Make sure you just go to nbsdac.com and submit your videos. We're so happy to have this beautiful day in nature. Hopefully you get to enjoy yours too. Enjoy next month. I know it's going to be a fun topic. Salam, my friends.
Peace to you. Goodbye.